Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn, and I am from JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Today we're going to go ahead and create a fun cat card featuring a stamp set from PhotoPlay, and it's PhotoPlay paper. And this stamp set is called The Cat Lover. All their stamps are made in the US, and I just thought it was so cute because it had so many different little cat facial expressions that are so adorable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start very similar to what I've been doing lately, where I stamp a whole bunch of them on a sheet of paper. And then we'll go ahead and cut them out. Now this stamp set is absolutely adorable. I will put a link down below if you want to take a look at it. It says Cat Lover by Becky Moore. And they are really cute. I just like how they look. I don't have a cat currently, but I have had cats in the past, and I'm going to try and make a couple of them maybe look like cats I've had before. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp this up, and all of these cats, my goal is to see how many cats I can get on the front of this card. So I think it's going to be kind of fun. I have an idea of where I want to go with it. Don't know if it'll do what I want it to, but I'm kind of excited to see how it goes. So there it is. Alright, let's go ahead and color these adorable little cats in. Gonna use my Copic markers, and sometimes when I don't have like a cat in front of me or a critter in front of me, I will go out on Google and just type in like cat coat patterns or cat hair patterns, and it'll come up with a whole little chart. It must be like a veterinary clinic that has a chart of all the different calicos and, you know, Siamese cats and Himalayans and all of that. So that always helps me so that I have something to kind of source from, because otherwise I have a tendency to just want to color them all brown or black or white. But I tried to refrain from that. Actually, I didn't end up making even one all-white cat, which is what I grew up with. So anyway, these are so cute. When I'm all done, I'm going to go ahead and run them through my brother's scanning cut. And basically, it will go through, I will scan it, it'll find the outline. I'll go ahead and cut them. And this time I think I'm going to cut them flush right up to the cat, because my plan is to actually stack them. So you'll see what I'm talking about in a little bit. Now, I do want to remind you that you should subscribe to our channel. The YouTube channel itself costs nothing. And I love being able to have you be part of this community. I do have a new surprise coming in the next couple of days, so it's going to be really exciting. I can't wait. So if you're subscribed, you'll be the first ones to be notified of this new update, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm already committing to it for the year, and I'm really excited for what it could do for all of us as a community, as well as being able just to offer something a little bit different. So I don't want to give out too much, but you're definitely going to want to subscribe and follow along so that you too can be part of this. It's going to be a lot of fun. So right now I'm cutting out the cats with the Brother Scan and Cut. So adorable. Going to go ahead and put them all together, and then we'll start creating our card. Now, one of the things that I personally love about card making and about illustrating and drawing is that I love to be able to tell a story. And I love being able to share that, and hopefully that story is something that resonates with you, or a story that you've had. And you know, this year coming up for 2021, I am in the process of getting ready to start illustrating my book. It's a book I have talked about for entirely too long, and it's the thought process behind it is the same one that I use when I make cards. So my cards, my goal is to have a story behind it. And I think that as my channel continues to evolve and change and grow, and I think what I'm going to do is try to incorporate some of that, you know? And so like this one, I thought it'd be really fun. I think that this whole little collection of farm cats, I think it feels very much like a, you know, what you might see in a barn. We've got some relatives up north that they have a whole bunch of farm cats, and they're always posting pictures of the most adorable kittens. And they're all a whole collection of farm cats. And they live out in the barn, and they're out there, and they do serve a purpose. You know, they are working critters on the farm, and they help out with, you know, taking care of mice or other critters. And they're well taken care of. You know, she has a heater out there for them, and she makes sure that, you know, she watches when it's cold, and quite often they've brought them in. And so that was my goal here. So that's kind of where I thought this story goes. But it could also be a cat rescue. You know, I'm a huge fan of cat rescues and critter rescues. You know, every critter deserves a family and a home. And, you know, if you're thinking about getting an animal this Christmas or in the future, you know, definitely consider adopting. You know, they're waiting for a home. Don't get me wrong, kittens are adorable, but there are definitely cats and kittens that are out there that are just waiting for someone. And, you know, all you gotta do is go out to Google, search cat rescue, and I promise you there's at least 5 to 10 in your area. If you're a dog person, same thing. There's a lot of them out there. Now, I decided that it'd be important to kind of give some depth, and so I decided to put 2 of the cats up on foam risers, so it kind of looked like they were closer to me than the other cats, and I think the optical illusion worked pretty well, and I'm really happy with it. And once I get all the cats in place, we're going to go back to that stamp set from PhotoPlay, and we're going to go ahead and use one of their sentiments as well. I really think that sentiment went perfect, no pun intended, maybe a little bit, with the card itself. I think that "you are my forever friend" is just a beautiful sentiment, and I really love how the cats all kind of intertwine and how they're all kind of almost like they're looking at each other. Like it's like there's a couple of cats looking up, some are looking over. Very cute set. And I realized that I had one extra cat left, and I think we're going to take him and I'm going to put him right there on the inside. Oh, that's so cute. That's going to be fun. Again, just like I did on my last card, you know, adding that little extra something inside. How fun is that? It's almost like that's the cat that you decided to take home with you, and he is going to be your forever friend. So fun. I might actually send this card to a cat rescue. That's so cool. I mean, they do a lot of work to, you know, keep these animals, you know, safe and happy and on their way to a new, hopefully happier life. So let's take a look at the card one more time. You can see the dimensions that are in it. I'm going to open it up, and you can see right inside that adorable little kitten fits perfect. The foam risers, just that little extra dimension, perfect. Love it. So inside, again, there's the little cat, and then again, don't forget to sign the back of your cards. They are your artistic expression, and I think it's so much fun when I find cards that are made by people that have their signature on the back, so be sure to do that. Again, guys, my name is Jessica Lynn. I'm the owner, artist, and creative mind here at JessicaLynnOriginal.com. This channel over the next year of 2021 will be evolving into my illustrations, into publishing of my first book, as well as card making and rubber stamps. So I'm really excited that it's going to take on a new role, and I can't wait to have you join me. So thank you again. Have a great day.